Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge. Source providers Situn and Ambika. In this video, we will learn how to install Python's latest version on Android in 3 easy steps. Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language. In 2021, Python is one of the most popular programming languages. We can run Python code on Android through various apps available on the Google Play Store. This video will explain how to install Python on Android using PyDroid 3 IDE for Python 3. PyDroid 3 is the most easy to use and powerful educational Python 3 IDE for Android. 3 steps to install Python. Number 1. Open the Play Store. Type PyDroid 3 on the search box. Tap on Install. Open the Play Store. Type PyDroid 3 in the search box. The PyDroid 3 IDE for Python 3 app will appear. To get more information about this app, tap on the arrow icon next to About this app. To install the app, tap on the Install. Now it is downloading the app. Wait for a moment. Tap on Open after it has finished installing. Tap on Open after it has finished installing. Tap on the Let us start. Select any one option from the list, or you can also skip it. I have selected the first option. Then tap on Continue. Select the first option. Tap on the Continue. Tap on the Continue. Select the first option. Then tap on the Continue. Close this screen. The IDE will appear. You can write Python code in this area. Let us test the app. Write this code in the IDE to display Hello World on the screen. Print brackets double quote Hello World. To run the Python code, tap on the yellow button. See, here is the result. You can also save the file and run it later by using the Save option. Tap on the folder icon. Select the Save or Save as option. Select the location where you want to store the file. Suppose I have selected a folder named Python code in the documents folder. Then tap on the select folder option. Give a name to your file with the extension .py. By default it is new file.py. Tap on the save option. Your file is saved now. A message will be displayed that your file hello.py is saved. This is your file name. Let us close the file. Tap on the folder icon. Select the close option. Now you can open the file by selecting the open option from the folder icon. Select the location. Then you can run the code by tapping on the yellow button. Here is the result. There are two basic modes in Python, script and interactive. This is script mode. Let us test the app in interactive mode. Tap on the three horizontal lines icon, also known as the hamburger menu, in the top left corner. Select the terminal option from the menu. Then type in Python. Press enter. Now you are in interactive mode. This is the version of the Python 3.9.7. This is the version of GCC 11.1.0. Write this code, print hello world in the terminal. Press enter. The result will be displayed on the screen immediately. Try this simple addition. Press enter. Python will reply with 10. You can also do the same thing by opening interactive mode directly by using the interpreter option from the hamburger menu. Type your code here. Python will respond with the result. Python has been successfully installed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Previous video was features of Python and drawbacks of Python. I have given the link in the description box. Next video is compiler versus interpreter. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Thank you.